The next step is to make individual pages for the cookies. So when they are tapped, it will go to information about that item. Because I want to use this, I'm going to use this as my heading. I'm going to actually copy this frame. I'm going to go over and select the frame, the menu frame, and I'm going to hold Option on the Mac, Alt on Windows, and drag that across. There it is. I'm straight away going to rename that. This is going to be my white chalk page. There it is. Now I'm working on that. So I'm now going to delete the items I don't want. I'm going to move white chalk up so it acts as the heading. I'm now going to go to my Figma tutorial resources and find my white chalk nutrition text edit document, and I'm going to copy that. So if I select this and go edit menu, copy, or Command C or Control C on Windows, I can actually paste that in just by clicking on the frame and pasting, and it will create a text box for you, and it's keeping the style that I've already set up. What I would like to do now is to see if this design is working, and I'm going to create a prototype. To do that, go up to the top on the right here and click on prototype, and you have some settings. It should be set up in the frame that we decided, which was the 16 Pro Max, and it will look like this, which I'll show you in a second. But just to go down, it says here to create a connection, select a frame or object and drag the circular node, and use the circular node and drag a connection to the other frame, which we're about to do. And then it says to run your prototype, press this button up here. So let's do those things. The first thing is this menu in the navigation, this menu icon needs to go to this menu page. I'm going to double click to go into this group on the home screen so I can select the rectangles, and you can see that rectangle that we've actually got hidden. So this is perfect. And I want to get this icon here. So I've double clicked and then selected menu, and I get this plus. That allows us to create a connection. I'm going to click and drag to the menu page. And now when I tap that in my prototype, as it says here, on tap, navigate to, and the destination is this menu page. And you can do it instantly, or you can have it with an animation. I'm just going to go instant. Excellent. Now, when I click on the white chalk card, I would like it to go to the white chalk page. So I'm going to click that, go to the plus on the right, drag that connection to this page until it snaps. On tap, navigate to white chalk frame. Excellent. Now what I'd like to do is to make sure this navigation works. We haven't made the location yet, but I'll get to that. I want to make sure this home button works to go back to the home page. So on this page, I'm going to double click into the group, select the home icon, back to home. The menu will pop up, just double check, on tap, home screen, excellent. And I'm going to do the same here, home to the home screen, just double check, excellent. When you click on each frame, it should show the connections now as well. I'm just double checking. This one goes back, menu goes to there, looking good. Now, to actually run the prototype, go up to this play icon here, click it, it will open a new tab in your browser, it will load, and you can work through your app. So I'm going to go straight down here and go home. Excellent, that's working. I've also set up the menu to go to that page. I want some details on white chalk. There it is. Excellent. I'd like to go back to the menu and select another one. This is working. I can now set up my other pages.